the radius?
Actually, this is, we have put, if it is allowed, we'll put in 50 to 100 meter only. And other definitions, I have put 50 to 100 only. Here, entire work space, that means if high wind speed is there, entire workplace. And this will be done as per the calculation. Like entity, we cannot define the radius here. This will be done as per the radio source. So this will be done by the construction people. And the fire and explosion, I have put 50 to 100 meter only. I don't want to increase more, because in increasing more, that means we are giving more liberty to construction people. That I don't want to give. So this is the definition. Guys, I will, yeah.
Yeah, the radius hazard, you have to change our terminology is impact counter.
Impact counter, huh?
Yeah.
Here. Oh, okay, very good. So guys, this is what I want your help, impact counter. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you, dear. So we need to use the terminology of
there, Mr. Beth, regarding 50 to 100 meters, which has been selected. Was there any basis for that one to select 50 to 100 meters, or based on the best industry
based on the
practice?
experience? Based on the experience, Vijay.
Okay.
So guys, this is a good intervention. I mean, I love if you have any question, and we must align in the beginning so that we don't miss anything. Okay, so I am zooming in for to explain you, then I will zoom out so that you can read it. So what I have done, I have put 3 categories. One is construction activities here. And then I have also defined, I try to define, I'm not drilling man. So I have tried to define some critical activity during drilling. And we have also put some activity of well operation, well intervention, well cleaning, like this. And first of all, we are going to see construction versus construction. And then we will see construction versus drilling. Then we will see construction versus well operation, if any. Okay. So guys, I hope we are aligned. And we know now the methodology. And we have defined our restriction tables.
At any point of time, does the existing CMOPs which has been followed in